If all the birds need is Jesus, then all you need is Jesus. Why do you worry about your life? You cannot add a single hour to your life when you worry. Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Why do you worry about your body, what you will eat or drink or what you will wear? Look at the flowers of the field. They do not labor or spin to grow. They are here today and thrown in the fire tomorrow. Are you not much more valuable than they? You say to yourself, I am afflicted and in pain. The storms of this life have tossed me to and fro. The winds beat against my house. The waves of death swirl around me, and you begin to worry. You say, will the Lord reject me forever? Will he never show his favor again? Has his unfailing love vanished forever? Has his promise failed for all time? Has God forgotten to be merciful? And you continue to worry. Look at the birds. Look at the birds of the air. They do not worry. So why do you worry? Your heavenly Father takes care of them, and he will take care of you. He is your shepherd. He makes you lie down in green pastures. He leads you beside quiet waters, and he restores your soul. When you are weak, he gives you strength. When you are hurting, he comforts you. When you are confused, he lights your path. So do not worry about your life. Look at the birds of the air. Your heavenly Father takes care of them. So if all the birds need is Jesus, then all we need is Jesus. So if all the birds need is Jesus, then all you need is Jesus.